Good morning, student. Today, components of food chapter, their main topic deficiency of disease. I am going to discuss. You are taking variety of food every day, and different types of nutrition take in food. What is the deficiency? Disease. Disease occurs due to the deficiency of one or more essential nutrients in the diet are called deficiency disease. Disease develop of deficiency continuous over a long period of time. Deficiency of disease cannot be transmitted one person to another. Disease cannot be prevented by eating balanced diet. First, deficiency of carbohydrate. We are taking every day carbohydrate food in our diet. Carbohydrates are main source of energy. Deficiency of carbohydrates in diet lead to body weakness and loss of body stamina. So, necessary take right amount of carbohydrate in our diet. Deficiency of fat. Deficiency of fat. Fat helps us to synthesize of vitamin D and K in your body. First, fat helps us to keep the skin and hair soft. So, we should take fat limited quantity of, otherwise fat or oily food is harmful to our body. Excessive fat, while very harmful to our body, it causes obesity. Obesity leads the heart disease and high blood pressure. Deficiency of fats cause body weakness and loss of body stamina. So, you will remember deficiency of fat is so harmful to you, and if you want to take, you will take in limit amount, otherwise very dangerous problem will happen in your body. Deficiency of protein. You know, protein is most important components we are taking as a food. Deficiency of protein, following symptoms. Deficiency of protein. Due to the deficiency of protein helps us to form a new cell. Tissues and repair our damaged cell and necessary to body growth. So children should take right amount of protein in your diet. If you are suffering from deficiency of protein, following symptoms you can see. Discoloring your hair, swollen face, a skin problem, swollen abdomen, swollen abdomen, diarrhea, stunned body growth, following symptoms you can see the patient who is suffering from deficiency of protein, discoloring your hair, swollen face, a skin problem, swollen abdomen, diarrhea, and stunned your body. Deficiency of protein cause malnutrition. It causes two types of disease. Due to the one or more nutrition cause malnutrition, it is a deficiency of disease. Kwashiorkor, and second marasmus disease. If you are suffering from one or more nutrients in your diet, Kwashiorkor and marasmus disease will happen in your body. Some symptoms you can see in the Kwashiorkor who is suffering from deficiency of different types of like carbohydrate, fats and vitamins. Kwashiorkor, a skin problem and become your scalp, swallow your stomach and weak your leg. If patient want to cure the Kwashiorkor and should take every day balanced diet to maintain the carbohydrate and protein. Same to same marasmus disease. This period, patient will also suffer from the swollen your abdomen and weak your leg. So always deficiency of fat, protein and carbohydrate. Carbohydrate should maintain to body इसको यहाँ से following symptoms you can see in the deficiency of protein. I am kwashiorkor.